welcome back to the Garden of Treats. Today we will be making a organic pest control for our plants. We noticed that some caterpillars or something might be eating the kale and different things, so we're just going to spray all of the plants. So I just want to show you what we have. So we have some cayenne pepper. We have Dr. Bronner's hemp tea tree, pure Castile soap, and we have some neem oil, pure and natural, cold pressed neem oil. And then we have a jug of water. This is about a little over half a gallon of water. And so with this jug, we took a screw and we poked some holes to make it like a can sprayer, like a water can, but because we didn't have one, so we came up with something to be resourceful. So I'm going to pour some neem oil. So I'm not measuring anything specifically, but I'll probably just do like a capful of neem oil. And then this soap is really strong, so the directions say 1 tablespoon in a quart of water. Since we're doing neem oil as well, I'm just gonna squirt some in here. So just one like good squirt. And then some cayenne pepper, just a dash of cayenne pepper. Just a dash. And so I'm gonna put the cap and I'm gonna shake it up. It doesn't really mix because it's oils, and oils and water don't mix, but you get the gist. Before we continue, can you please like and subscribe to the video? Thank you. So you just want to make sure that you get all of the leaves covered, because that's what they like to eat. And so basically I think the gist of this is just the smells. They don't like it, so they run away from it. And these things are all natural, so they won't harm the food. babies last time we saw. I don't think those are spiders. I think those one things that jumped that messed up our tomatoes last year. That's what they look like. But they were orange when they were babies.
So now I'm just watering the plants. I'm watering the roots, making sure not to wash all of the pest control that I just made off of the leaves. Thank you for coming by and watching the Garden of Treats. Be sure to visit lovealways.shop, and we'll see you next time.